व्यूवर्स, अभी हम लोग हैं कम्युनियन पब्लिकेशन फॉर गारमेंट्स एंड टेक्सटाइल के ओनर मिस्टर आर.के. त्रिपाठी जी के साथ। तो आइए उनसे उनके प्रोडक्ट्स और उनके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात करें। सर, आप अपने ब्रांड्स, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बता सकते हैं, कब इसकी इस्टेब्लिश हुई, कब क्या हुआ?
कम्युनियन पब्लिकेशन इस्टेब्लिश हुई 1996 में बाई मिस्टर संजय खेतान, उनका 2 पीपल आर देयर। तो 96 में स्टार्ट हुई पब्लिकेशन। बेसिकली हम लोग फोकस करते हैं टू द मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ द गारमेंट एंड इंटायर टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री। Now initially we are doing the hard copy. Now we are sending the more than 5 lakh e-magazine throughout the world. Like we are covering the Vietnam, Bangladesh, Tunisia, Thailand and India throughout India from Amritsar to Coimbatore, Tirupur. The biggest export station is the Noida, Tirupur, Bangalore and Mumbai. So we have office in Mumbai also, and we are catering entire garmenting and textile industry.
Sir, how COVID-19 is your learning for your company, for your employees?
See, the COVID-19 was the entirely natural effect, and उससे बाहर निकलने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम सबको लगा, बट हम लोगों ने हार नहीं मानी। कोविड वी पब्लिश्ड आवर March 20 issue, and then we could not publish the April and May and June issue. We again published in July issue. So we never stopped. During that period हम लोग अपना डिजिटल कॉपी प्रिंट करते रहे। रेगुलरली वी आर इन टच विद आवर एडवर्टाइजर एंड सब्सक्राइबर थ्रू द मेल, बिकॉज वी हैव ह्यूज डेटाबेस from last 25 to 30 years. We have huge database and we are sending regular copy to them by WhatsApp, by e-magazine, by mailer, and we full-fledged published in August 90. Only 3 months we could not send the print the publication because where courier people were not there and postal services were not activated. So we started over there. और बहुत अच्छा period था. That was nice period.
Sir, what scope, what opportunity you see after this expo?
So we are participating more than 20 exhibition in a year, and the organizer Mr. Salim, he well known to us, and I think we were in the part of another exhibition in Garment Tech, and we are associated with Mr. Salim from last 1996 onwards. So we are all associated. He is very good organizer. He is the professional organizer. And he is doing now show in India. I think this is the first show in India, and he has done an excellent job. And he is a very professional team.
Sir, स्क्रीनटेक्स इंडिया के एक्सपो के बारे में आपको कहाँ से पता चला, कहाँ से नॉलेज हुई?
Actually ऑर्गेनाइजर मिस्टर सलीम हम लोग बहुत पुराने तरह से जानते हैं, और वो he met in last March in another exhibition. तो हमें वहाँ पता लगा. We are media partner. We participated in Bangladesh, I think from last 12 to 17 or 18. तो हम लोग रेगुलर इन टच में हैं जो एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइजर है मिस्टर सलीम के. तो वी नो मिस्टर सलीम, मिस्टर प्रसन्ना, मिस्टर नंद गोपाल. वी आर all associated and we are the friend.
So any short message, any some suggestion, feedback for organizers?
It was my dream to come Mr. Salim in India, and he came. Definitely next show will be entirely big show, and he is a very good person, and he has good reputation in market, in textile industry, not even the printing industry. He has good knowledge of the garment technology industry. So he is the good person, and he know how to handle the industry, and he came in India. So he will do another show, biggest exhibition in the India, and India had a lot of scope over there. If you go for the Ludhiana, if you go for the Delhi, Panipat, and up to the Coimbatore roads, a lot of scope over there, and बहुत बड़ा काम कर सकते हैं. He know how to handle this particular industry. He is very experienced person.
तो सर, आपको लगता है कि इस एक्सपो के बाद इंडिया की इकोनॉमी में ग्रोथ आ सकती है, आपके बिजनेस में ग्रोथ आ सकती है?
नहीं, ग्रोथ तो इंडियन अकाउंट देखिए. इंडिया का गारमेंट और टेक्सटाइल शो देखते हैं तो वर्ल्ड वाइड देखिए. यदि आप देखते हैं तो वियतनाम नाउ बिकम द इंडिया वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट world's best exporter of the garment. And Vietnam is a very small country, like Calcutta to, if you go over the Calcutta, Odisha and Kerala, a small strip is there. So we are big country, we have all these things. We have raw material, we have Surat, man-made fiber, we have cotton in Coimbatore, we have woolen garment in Ludhiana, and another Russell fabric in Tamil. So a lot of potential is there, home furnishing, garmenting, yarn, fabric, everything is we have. So no one can stop. And even if you go for the value-added garment, the India is the best for the value-added garment. Only the China, India know how to make the value-added. Bangladesh, they making simple garment. Value, and as well as the Vietnam is there. So Vietnam, entirely Chinese people are there. Vietnam handling the garment manufacture. So India has huge potential, and our even labor and manpower, they are trained people. They know how to make the value-added garment to feed the European Union and as well as US, because both are the biggest buyer of India.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.